video here, we're going to talk about inner rows. Now we've covered rows, columns, and if you wonder what the heck inner rows are, then what we can do with it are amazing. Inner rows is something we can add to sit inside a pre-existing column to display content side by side within. The best way to describe it is just to show you. Let's take this larger row here, the family business. Now let's break it down. We have a row with two columns selected inside. Column 1 houses inside the image and a single paragraph of text, and column 2 houses different content and a button as well. Now our row is not set to full width, as you can see. Let's say we want to add another button to this layout, maybe one for contact us and one for read more, and we want to put it right next to this button here, not above or beneath. So how can we do that? We can't under the column because that will put the button way over to the right, and what we can do over is add an inner row. So I'm going to right click on an empty space on this column, and we're going to go to add and inner row. And if we hover our mouse over inner row, we can see we have almost a middle row, if you will, having its own columns, allowing for a whole new selection of horizontal content. It's like nesting doll. Now we can copy this button into our inner row. We may want to size it down a little bit so it fits perfectly. Let's right click on it and select copy, and you can easily click on either column to paste the button. There we go, and let's paste the second one over here. Perfect. And if we remove the original button, look at that, our inner row displays both buttons and fill up the upper space that was vacated. We also have a settings panel. Click on here, you can see edit design. We have all the same customization available at your fingertips. Adjust the sizing, the positioning, and overall have the freedom to place elements anywhere inside columns vertically or horizontally in a structure made for responsive site.